Law Simplified with Justice is anchored by Justice Maduforo. Tice Madox Solicitors is results-oriented, but with a distinctive approach tailored to our clients' needs in our specialist fields: immigration law, criminal law, employment law, commercial law, family law, and contracts law. We are well equipped in our litigation and advocacy for the benefit of our clients, corporates, and individuals. Why not visit us at 5 Oakfield House, Oakfield Road, Ilford, London, IG1 1EF. We are just 15 minutes from Liverpool Street Station. Tice Madox Solicitors. Try us. We are professional.
Hello, and welcome to Law Simplified with Justice. I am Justice Maduforo, your usual regular host on this program, Law Simplified with Justice. This is the very best program that you can ever wish to listen to at any point of your spare time. On this program, I've brought you diverse topics, different areas of law. I've discussed criminal law on this platform with you. I've discussed employment law. I've discussed immigration law. I've discussed contract law. I've discussed all these areas of law. And remember that the purpose of this program is to get you to take action, not for you to act on what I say on this program. On that note, I will tell you now that whatever I say on this program, or indeed my discussions on this platform, Law Simplified with Justice, they are not legal advice. They are not legal advice. Therefore, you must not act on them. You must not. Ladies and gentlemen, as I explained to you earlier, Justice is my name. I am a solicitor of the Senior Court of England and Wales. I am a barrister solicitor of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. I am police station and magistrate court duty solicitor of England and Wales, authorized and accredited by the Ministry of Justice and the legal aid agency to provide legal advice to those of you or to people arrested at the police station and all the way to the Crown Court, Court of Appeal, and the Supreme Court of England and Wales, or United Kingdom. Ladies and gentlemen, I have always brought this topic to you to get you to take action. And therefore, it is your responsibility, therefore, to take action. Pass the number on the screen to whoever that needs legal advice to come to Tice Madox Solicitors. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'll be discussing immigration law. And the topic today I'll be discussing is lodging application versus preparing application. Lodging application versus preparing application under the immigration law. Now let me start this. There are two differences between lodging an application, and it's different as well also by making an application or preparing the application. Over the course of this program, and over entirely the course of this program, and those of you who have come to Tice Madox Solicitors for me to represent you and for the firm to act on your behalf in your matters, you have gone home smiling. Reason being that we are technical, we are thorough, we are professionals. We take detailed instructions from you. We advise you accordingly and on point. We do not mess around with you. We go straight and discuss matters with you. Detailed instruction is very key to your success. And therefore, Tice Madox Solicitors do not joke with that. We do not disregard that. We hold it sacrosanct. We hold it tenaciously because it is the foundation to relieve you and to deliver success on your table. Therefore, when you come to speak to me or call the telephone number to make an arrangement to see me in the office, you must pay consultation fee. Consultation fee is essential because I do not understand why you want to build a house without laying the foundation. I do not understand why you want the solicitor to just make the application without speaking to you. It is not in your interest. Any firm, any legal advisor, any solicitor's firm that does that are not acting in your best interest. Tice Madox stands in your best interest. Consultation fee is essential for me to critically analyze your case and run with your instruction. Ladies and gentlemen, today is immigration law. What is the difference between lodging an application and preparing an application? I did tell you over a period, and those of you who are listeners to this program, that I'm very thorough. Those of you come to the office, maybe having watched this program or somebody referred you to us, or somebody passed a number to you, having watched this program and felt that it would be very important that you engage with us. And then you come. Those of you have seen the difference between the application you made in other places or the ones you made by yourself compared to the one we will prepare for you, compared to the one we will do for you. Tice Madox Solicitors say we'll run with your instruction. Tice Madox Solicitors will keep you informed. Tice Madox Solicitors will give you a client care letter. Tice Madox Solicitors will continuously update you. You do not need to even tell us, call us on the phone on update. We do that. We have the technology that immediately it makes us understand that you must be kept informed. That is why you come to the firm that imbibes the best practice. That's why you come to the firm that explains to you that you can work out and you will be able to say, this is what I was told. This is what I understand. This is what they will do for me. This is what I want them to do for me. Ladies and gentlemen, when you lodge application, either by yourself or through your friend, some of you will lodge the application, get information from somebody who have done it before, and you think because he succeeded in error, and therefore he can assist you now. Remember that the immigration law is flexible, the law is flexible, it changes. So the style adopted by the person you are asking to assist you must have changed. And then you rely on that, the application fails. Or you go to a solicitor's firm, or you go to a legal representative firm, or whoever that calls themselves, those who want to assist you, and they make an application, a large application for you, and these applications do not follow the leg down requirement, do not infuse in it the ingredients that are required for a successful outcome of application, then I will tell you straight away that failure and refusal is imminent. Tice Madox Solicitors understands those objectives. They understand those steps. They understand that it is important that instructions are taken and application is prepared on point. That is what I do for you when you come to see me in the office. That's what I do for you when you refer someone for me to prepare application for. Whatever application that you want to lodge, whether it's appeal, whether it's grounds of appeal, whether you're preparing skeleton argument, whether you're preparing grounds of application, grounds of appeal, grounds for permission for judicial review, grounds for reconsideration, grounds for pre-action protocol, ladies and gentlemen, Tice Madox Solicitors is the very firm that you can count on to prepare and produce a on-point, foolproof, and application and representation and document that is loyally and that is arguable, an application that is convincing. You must take advantage of this program because some of you have run elsewhere, and when you finally get to have contact with me or Tice Madox Solicitors, your story has been different. You've seen the difference between those who have done that in the past for you and when you engage with me and with Tice Madox Solicitors. You've seen the difference. The telephone number on the screen. Ladies and gentlemen, lodging application is just as the name sounds. You just prepare, sign signature, put in the fee, you lodge. That's different. Preparing an application is also different because preparation includes and entails proper documentation, proper arrangement, proper argument, proper representation, proper statistics, and then application lodged. So you can see the difference between lodging an application and preparing an application. When you lodge application, some of you are quick to do so. Some of you go to a firm or whoever that want to advise you or do that for you because it's giving you a very low fee. Maybe not fault of yours. You've not been able to engage and see a better representative who can do this for you. And as a result of that, you run along with those that somebody have referred you. And probably you're not aware that you've not done the right thing. And then application is lodged on your behalf by the fees you paid or by whatever agreement you had with those who done application for you. And then you wait. I can tell you this. It pains me when a client comes before me and tells me that he has not received a correspondence from those who have been representing him or her. My heart bleeds because you deserve the best. Now, why won't you come to where you get the best? Why won't you come to see where you pay your fee? The work is done. You kept in touch. You kept informed. You don't need to call us. You don't need to even text us. You don't need to write us. We will keep you informed. The moment you have it in your mind to call us, letter is already in the post. Email is already popped up for you to know that we are keeping you informed. That's what we do, Tice Madox Solicitors. Best practice. Best practice. Because we're giving you advice. So we are comfortable. We are confident of the advice we've given you. So making the application or lodging the application is just one of the things that most of you get wrong, because you've gone to someone who hasn't done it, or you've done it yourself, more especially. And especially for you to save a fee. I understand. You may be feeling that you want to save this fee. But you know what? That would be even the catastrophic one for you, because you begin to leave trails of wrong applications. And that is why I'm going to the next explanation of the preparation of the application. Preparation of application is key. When I prepare application for you and lodge application for you, as I enumerated earlier on, these applications are foolproof. This application captures your personal life, captures your environment, captures your past, your present, your future, captures your sides, captures even things you think that immaterial, captures them, because I am strong in advocacy. And when I advocate in courts of law, in immigration tribunal, upper tribunal, the first tier upper tribunal, in high court of justice, in the crown court, magistrate court, even at the police station, even at the county court, when I advocate, I am solid, I am fierce, because especially when I prepare your application for you, I am ready, because I've stuffed in what I can write on. Ladies and gentlemen, topic is lodging application versus preparing application. 80% of applications that come to me after it's been refused are applications that are just lodged. They're not well-prepared application. By the time I take time to untangle the errors, then and advise you that we need to take the next step to prepare, you will see the difference. And you'll be glad you pay your fee, ladies and gentlemen. You'll be glad, because you'll be confident that we are super confident ourselves. Unless we are confident, you will not be confident in what we're doing for you. Exactly, because you cannot give out what you don't have. We give out what we have. Confidence, thorough preparation, success. Ladies and gentlemen, that is what we give out at Tice Madox Solicitors. Now, going from there, as I was explaining earlier on, I did explain this to you, that it's important that application prepared very well is the synchronym. It is the fundamental, is the foundation, is the key, is the foundation, is the ground for any successful application, is the preparation. Because we take time. I take time to prepare your application. I take time to prepare your application. Discuss with you. Also research your circumstance. Oh, what else can I not tell you? What else? I do not need to overflog it. Because you understand, you will be the testimony to drive this firm to other people, because not just have you achieved the result through us, you will also put a smile on somebody's face that you have given them the right telephone number to their success. Lodging application is it's basic. And those basic don't guarantee success. What guarantees success is the preparation. Your preparation for your private life, your preparation for your family life, your preparation for domestic violence applications, your preparation for indefinite leave to remain, settlement application, permanent residence application, resident card application under the EEA, applications under the discretionary leaves, exceptional circumstances applications, discretionary leave applications, medical applications, Article 8 applications, Article 3 applications, Article 14 applications. Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many of them. That is what we deal with at Tice Madox Solicitors. I am very confident to tell you this. I will take a very short break right now, and I'm coming back to discuss with you the benefits of preparing an application, and the benefit and the demerits of lodging application. Benefits of preparing application and the demerit of lodging application. Stay there, don't change the dial. Justice is still coming back.
Tice Madox Solicitors is results-oriented, but with a distinctive approach tailored to our clients' needs in our specialist fields: immigration law, criminal law, employment law, commercial law, family law, and contracts law. Tice Madox Solicitors. Try us, we are professional.
Hello, welcome back to the program. I discussed with you and I left you when I took a short break to explain that preparing application is different from lodging application. Now, what are the merits of preparing an application? When I prepare application for you, I have infused fairness in the application. I have infused and invoked the principle of fairness, equity, natural justice, and good conscience. I have invoked and have infused in that application an application for discretion. I have dragged on the caseworker that even if your application falls outside of immigration rules, they must grant you outside of the rules. If the application falls outside of the immigration rules, they must consider application under the immigration outside the rules. This is what I prepare when I make application for you. I am futuristic in my application because that application I can run with it. A lot of case laws, the High Court of Justice, the Court of Appeals I've heard in several, especially applications that we refuse and have come to them. Remember that as you appeal your applications, as you appeal refusals from Home Office or anything at all, even from the county court to the High Court, or you appealing from the district judge to the circuit judge in the county court, you must now longer appeal on the facts. You must now be appealing on the point of law, errors of law. And to do so, it depends on the preparation that you've done already. I cannot overflog that situation to tell you that Tice Madox Solicitors offers that for you. That is what I do for you. But when you lodge applications, you are completely stopped under the principle of estoppel. You've been stopped completely from making an argument on point of law, errors of law, because you have not argued it. You have ill-prepared your application. And therefore, you cannot question on errors of law against the caseworker whom you have not made your point clear to. Now you're getting my point. That is what it takes. When I prepare application, I infuse all these along the line, that even if it's refused, I will argue your matter. Tice Madox Solicitors will fight for you. I am a fighter. I stand for justice. I ensure that you get your papers, to ensure that you get justice. In that matter, in the employment tribunal, in the matter in the upper tribunal, first year tribunal, in the county court of justice, whatever application that you are facing before any judge, in application in the high court, preparation for judicial review in any civil litigation. Ladies and gentlemen, you do not want to mess around. You want to get it once and at a moderate fee. Come to Tice Madox Solicitors. That's what I will do for you. That is what I do for you. Ladies and gentlemen, this program is only a vehicle directing you to Tice Madox Solicitors. It is not a legal advice program, but once you get those details on the screen, you can follow us on Twitter at Tice_Madox. You can also go to our Facebook, Tice Madox Solicitors, and add us as a friend, and then you continue to roll out all the topics we discuss and areas of law. You can also add us and check us on YouTube by typing Tice Madox Solicitors on YouTube, or Law Simplified TV and subscribe to our TV station. You can also join us and check us up on Law Simplified with Justice on YouTube. And also type in my name, Justice Maduforo, on YouTube, and catch us for a program. And there you will know, you convince you that we are real. We are there to look at for you. We got you once you come to us. We got you once you instruct us. We got you once you engage us. We will make sure we run with your case. The principles of law will be cited on your behalf. Your case will be dealt in the best practices available. We will keep you informed. We will send you client care letters. We update you. We will engage with other parties that are required in order to fundamentally fortify your application. I will do all that. Tice Madox Solicitors stand for that. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so excited when I discuss these cases with you because I know somebody out there will be smiling. And I will be glad that you come to my office and you will smile. Several testimonies have come out there for those who have benefited from our TV program that have come to us at Tice Madox Solicitors, and we've done the work for them. Just recently, I can tell you, as I'm recording this program, I've just recorded 6 successful immigration applications on my table, successfully granted from those who have lost hope, from different legal representatives, and they've come to Tice Madox Solicitors. It's been repackaged, it's been redone for those of you that I can remedy. But those of you, if you don't take opportunity and then you go elsewhere and the application is completely destroyed, I wonder how that can be remedied. But I tell you, but come to us. Speak to me. I will take detailed instruction from you. And I tell you, everything is possible. At Tice Madox Solicitors, any legal issue is possible. There must be options that will present before you, and you take them, and we'll discuss the fee from there. Our fee is moderate. Moderate. I will prepare also a payment plan with you, but you have to keep to the payment plan. I will do so in order to enable you to get your papers. You must keep your payment plan. We'll keep the fee moderate. We'll give you reasonable discounts. Do the application, but remember what? And guess what? It will be the highest quality standard that you cannot get elsewhere. Even at the moderate fee that we will charge you, we will prepare it at the highest, ultimate standard required by the Solicitors Regulation Authority, ladies and gentlemen, that regulates us and also the Law Society. We will keep you informed. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a pleasure always discussing on this platform issues of law with you. Employment law, these are my specialties. Employment law, immigration law, contract law, criminal law, you have it. Fraud matters, conspiracy matters, murder trials. If you are facing any of this, do not get bothered. If your ward is in court, in the magistrate court, in the crime court for any criminal matter of which he's pleading not guilty, or rather he's even about to plead guilty, stop there. Speak to me. Come to my office. I am police station and magistrate court judicial solicitors trained, equipped, accredited by the Ministry of Justice. And I tell you something, issues of crime are in my fingertips, ladies and gentlemen. Whatever matters you're dealing with in crime, speak to me and I will deal with those matters for you and you will smile. Ladies and gentlemen, are you in applying for bail? Those of you in detention centers, and some of you there wallow and just waste in there because of somebody not doing the right thing to get you out on bail on reasonable conditions. Speak to me. Speak to Tice Madox Solicitors. Telephone is on the screen, and I'll be very glad to speak to you. But remember, you must pay consultation fee. It's essential. It is the foundation of which the best from us, from me, will begin to come out. That is the consultation. That is the preparation. That is taking detailed instruction from you. That is very key to me. I hold it dearly. I hold it sacrosanct because it is the foundation of which, as a professional, we will unleash our professional expertise in your matter and achieve successful result for you. Therefore, you do not want to ignore that. You have to pay a reasonable, moderate consultation fee and then sit down and take detailed instruction from you and then advise you. And you'll be glad. And you walk away smiling. And once you engage me further, you'll be glad. Ladies and gentlemen, the time don't permit me to discuss this. I just read out to you today immigration. And the topic is that of lodging application versus preparing application. The difference is clear. Do you want to lodge application? It's up to you. Refusal is imminent. Do you want to prepare application and lodge it? Yes. Tice Madox Solicitors. And guess what? Success is just on your table. When you toe the line and the section of preparation of your documentation and application, and that appeal, whatever it is, judicial review, you have Tice Madox Solicitors by your side, running with you, pressing with you, showing empathy with you, and also unleashing a professional expertise in that field which you need an advice, which you need representation, which you need advocacy. But guess what? I am strong in my advocacy. When I come to court and argue for you, you don't want to mess with me when you see me in court, ladies and gentlemen. You'll be glad. In your interest, I will run. I will put you on my shoulder and I will run with you. As Jesus Christ is our advocate, let me tell you, I, Justice Maduforo, Tice Madox Solicitors, are your advocate when it comes to legal matters in this country and outside this country, depending on your interests that you have. This all time permits me to take. It's always a pleasure discussing this. Till next time I come in, I ask you to go to website www.ticemadox.com. Go to ticemadox.com. Check us up there, YouTube and our Facebook as well. And okay, send us an email, inquiries@ticemadox.com. Telephone number is on there. Book an appointment to come and see me in the office. You'll be glad you did. Till next time I come again, you stabilize. Your time has definitely come. I remain Justice Maduforo.
Law Simplified with Justice is anchored by Justice Maduforo. Tice Madox Solicitors is results-oriented, but with a distinctive approach tailored to our clients' needs in our specialist fields: immigration law, criminal law, employment law, commercial law, family law, and contracts law. We are well equipped in our litigation and advocacy for the benefit of our clients, corporates, and individuals. Why not visit us at 5 Oakfield House, Oakfield Road, Ilford, London, IG1 1EF. We are just 15 minutes from Liverpool Street Station. Tice Madox Solicitors. Try us, we are professional.